Types of function. One function. Observe this function f from x to y. Here, all images in y have only one relation. No element have more than one relation. A function f from x to y is defined as one function if the images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. Let's take another example. Here, elements of B don't have more than one relation, so it is an one function. If a function is not one, then it is many one function. If any element of y have more than one relation, then the function is called as many one function. Observe this function. Here, element A have two relations and remaining all elements have only one relation, so it is an many one function. Let's take another example. Here, element B have two relations, so this function is many one function. On to function. Observe this function. Here, all elements of y have relation. A function f from x to y is said to be onto function if every element of y is the image of some elements of x under f. One and onto function. A function is called as one and onto function if it is both one function and onto function. Observe this example. Here, no elements of Y have more than one relation. So, function is 1, 1, and all elements of Y have relation. So, it is an onto function. So, this function is called as 1, 1 and onto function. Let's take another example. Here, no elements of Y have more than one relation, and all elements of Y have relation. So, this function is an 1, 1 and onto function.